anybody?
Michaela.
I said Michaela. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you.
You gonna open?
What's in here? What is
Itty big oven.
Is that what you wanted?
Yes.
Well, go back over there. They can't see you behind me. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, see what else there is for you.
Is this paper?
Nah, Kelly sent some stickers for you.
Let's see what this is. Somebody take this one.
What do you think it is? Well, have Grandma help you.
I think it might be. Is that an apron? What is that?
And a hat.
A chef's hat. And an apron.
Wow.
Can I see the chef's hat?
There's a chef's hat. Like we have at the cook-off.
Okay, where'd it go?
I did.
That's also from Aunt Kelly and Aunt Shelley and Aunt Kathy and all the uncles and all the cousins.
What is that?
What did I get?
Is that your mixer?
That's what you use in your oven. What are you going to make? What does it show?
We can make cookies. Do different types of cookies and pretzels and what stuff.
Wow. Here, look at the camera and what can you say to them?
Thank you, please.